Best laptops for video editing under $1,000. You don't have to spend a fortune to purchase a laptop for video editing. There are numerous laptops available under $1,000 which can provide all the help and assistance to you with getting video editing work done. In order to make life easy for you, we thought of sharing a list of options that you can consider while hunting for the best laptop for video editing under $1,000. Number 5. HP Omen 15.6-inch FHD laptop. HP Omen is a highly performing laptop. People who are looking for the best laptop for video editing under $1,500 can go ahead with it. Even if you are looking for the best laptop for video editing under $500 but willing to spend more to get an excellent experience, you can go ahead and take a look what comes along with the HP Omen. It offers NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, which offers 4GB DDR5 graphics storage. In addition to that, you can get a 9th generation Intel Core i5 processor with it. You will never run out of storage space because a 1TB HDD drive is paired along with the 128GB SSD drive. It also provides a full-sized keyboard, which offers a great video editing experience. Number 4. Acer Aspire 5. Acer Aspire 5 is powered by the latest Intel Core i5-8265U processor. Moreover, 512GB SSD storage and 8GB RAM are offered. When these specifications are combined with the price, you can think about calling it the best budget laptop for video editing. The laptop offers good-looking 15.6-inch Full HD display. In addition to that, you can also receive a dedicated graphics card that offers 2GB video memory. There are numerous ports available with the laptop as well. Number 3. Dell Precision M3520 Mobile Workstation Laptop. All the people who are searching for the best laptop for video editing can take a look at Dell Precision M3520. Dell laptops are known for their excellent performance. You can get such a wonderful performance out of Dell Precision M3520 as well. It comes with an i5-7440HQ 7th generation processor. You will be able to get a 512GB SSD drive and 16GB RAM out of the laptop as well. On the other hand, you can receive a 15.6-inch display, which is big enough to deliver a better experience with editing videos. Number 2. Apple 13-inch MacBook Air. macOS is perfect for video editing. Therefore, people who are looking for the best laptop for video editing under $1,000 can take a look at the Apple 13-inch MacBook Air. This laptop can provide you with all powerful features that are offered by macOS for video editing. You can get a powerful Core i5 dual-core 1.8 GHz processor with the laptop. Moreover, it offers Intel HD Graphics 6000 to you. When it is paired with 8GB memory and fast SSD storage, you can receive an excellent video editing experience out of it. You will love to use this laptop for getting all your video editing tasks completed. You can even call this as the best cheap laptop for editing YouTube videos. Number 1. Asus ZenBook 13 Ultra Slim Laptop. The Asus ZenBook 13-inch laptop is compact but powerful. If you are a person who travels a lot, this will be a great option available to consider. It comes to you with 13.3-inch Full HD display. The Nano Edge bezel will make sure that you are provided with the best out of the display at all times. Another surprising fact about this laptop is that it provides you with a long-lasting battery life of up to 14 hours. It is powered up with the latest Intel Core i5 8th generation 8250U processor. Moreover, you will be able to get the 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD hard drive with the laptop. This provides you with the efficiency that you wish to get with the video editing activities. That's all from the best laptop for video editing under $1,000. Till then, goodbye.